Hey guys, I hope you enjoy this video of me swapping out my leaf springs in my 97 Chevy K1500. Thank you Jason and Dylan for your help. Okay, when swapping out these leaf springs, here are the parts you need to get. You got to get that shackle there and a bolt, nut, and washers with it. Get the leaf spring, which needs 2 bolts, set of nuts and washers. And last but not least, you need the top plate, the bottom plate, and 2 new U-bolts, nuts, and washers for both sides. You can get all your parts from General Spring, based out of Kansas City. The website is generalspringkc.com. They have the springs, the shackles, and the top and bottom brackets, all the bolts, nuts, and washers you'll need. All right, first step, put a breaker bar on your leaf spring bolt, and then put a jack on it. Break it loose, and then later on our air hammer will have so much easier of a job. Moved it. So now we're going to start ripping these apart. You need an air hammer with 3 attachments. You need the wide flat attachment, the middle finger attachment, and the pinky attachment. Without that, this job would be impossible.
There you go. That's why you need new U-bolts. Holy shit.
Snapped right off.
Look how thin it was.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Hey, it's a powerful tool. Got the 10-ton jack in the back here. Just leave it hang there and don't even cut it.
Yeah, you're not saving it.
Yeah.
So.
Okay.
Yeah.
How powerful is that again? 600 foot-pounds?
That's what they advertised that when they were brand new. The nut come off, but the bolt didn't spin.
And that just keeps it from seizing up again?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
In theory.
Yeah. There it broke.
Cherry.
Hey, look how thin that is.
I know. I figured that'd be the one that would break. Look at all that crap. That's the size it's supposed to be. Ooh, look at that shit.
What do you see?
The top of your spring is rusted
Broke?
through almost.
Yikes.
Wow, that was easy. Did you hit the easy button on that one? It was easy. The part of the metal that curls around.
Yep.
You see the in there?
Yep.
It's supposed to curl around. It's missing. So that's you're just sitting on this. This is just sitting there. There's nothing.
Gravity is holding it down. Yeah. Jeez. We'll get a closer look at that when we pull it out.
Yeah.
good design.
Look. I didn't cut this end off, that's why.
Still though.
Well,
why would they make it like that?
well, your hitch probably wasn't on there when they...
Yeah.
But,
Yeah,
it's easy enough. You just
we can cut it in half, yeah.
Give me that. Not the big one with the nuts.
This one?
Nope, that one. Yeah, thank you.
Oh yeah, that won't probably jostle as much.
Yeah.
Get your hand caught in there.
Well, I didn't want this one to bounce off the gas tank.
Oh yeah, good call.
Boom. There we go.
Well, that's gonna come off.
Yeah, it came right off.
I have no idea where the head is. I think it's in the frame somewhere.
See, I knew it didn't hit the floors, I only heard one bounce.
There. It's like that bottle flip game. Let's take a look at this damaged front.
Yeah, look at that. All that right there is missing.
Holy crap.
Right there.
Yeah, probably not too safe.
The thing that saved you is it was the top part, because all the weight's pushing down on it. Oops, I'll show
good.
all the weight's pushing down here, so that's the only thing that saved you.
Gravity kept me.
Yeah, this is the one that needed to actually go in the way the factory wanted it.
So if you put that in the other way, that bolt
That was what was
rubs
hitting-
against the frame.
Hitting right up here, yeah.
It's a bit, okay.
Yeah. So in this one, the tank's there, so we do want to put it in from the other side.
Yeah, okay. In the factory, they probably didn't even have the tank, gas tank in, did they? When they put the springs on?
I bet not. Oh no, this one we can put in the wrong way and have it be right.
Jism brand. Permatex.
Yep, anti-seize.
Second there, I thought it said anal siege lubricant.
That's what we're using tonight.
Torque, right?
Yeah.
Thanks for doing this, Jason.
No problem.
Hey, that wraps up this video. All you guys with older trucks, I recommend you do the same, or you may end up driving down the interstate going 70 and lose your entire rear axle and take out whoever is behind you and yourself.